Hi everyone, it's Ed the Locksmith. Now, I do apologise, I forgot to put a video up for Friday. That's on me. I bought a camper van and I've been a bit busy rewiring it with my friend Andrew, and it's been a bit of a nightmare. But anyway, so I was going to do a SIP 22 lock tonight off a Fiat, but instead we're going to do a Renault Clio barrel. Which is on the VA2 VA6 system. So with this VA6 Lishi, you'll see there is 4 levers. And these 4 levers pick obviously pick the wafers, but these are a bit different because they are split into 2. Now, on the old version of this pick, one would be an A side pick and the other one would be a B side pick. But now they've just changed to arrows. I'll explain more about that later on, towards the end. Now, I've never picked this lock before. I was rushing around trying to find them. So if I lift this up with the right amount of tension, so we turn it all the way till so I can feel roughly where she gets stuck to. Stops to. And then I just push up gently until I feel it on it, and then I put a little bit of pressure, tension with this. Now, there's nothing there for the front lever, so we'll use the back one, which is the one behind. Do the same with the next one. It's just springy. So then we go to the next one across. Now, this one's a bit different, because if you ever do the door, 1 and 2 will be on the bottom, 4 and 5 will be on the bottom, or top, whichever way around you're picking it, and 3 and 6 will be the opposite side. But in the ignition barrel, they always tend to be a straight line. So as we can see, this one's binding. Now she's picked. And then this one's binding. Okay. And then the next one. Oh, I'm getting lucky with these. As you can see, she's turned a bit. Then we got number 6, which will be on this one then, because you can feel there's nothing there. And then we go back to the beginning. So here goes blank. Now sometimes when we pick these, we'll go, for example, the back one will go down like this, and you'll feel it, and you'll pick it one day and it'll just go all the way down. And then you'll go back to it again, and oh wow, A's there too. And then B won't be there. So they would be what we call falses, false positives. So false gates then, so to speak. So we go on to the next one. And there we go, we're all done. There was a brief pause there. So basically, all I've done is I've just moved this around so we can show you how to decode this lock. Sorry. Right. So basically we start here. Obviously you see the first one here is nothing, and you got the arrow. So I'm going to move this out the way for this point of view, or not. A bit more across this way. So see, she's springy there. So we push it down to there, and it's on the 3rd line up. But the arrow here says it's to the left. So if it's the 3rd line up on the left, it's number 3. And then, same thing again. Oh, no, same one, wrong one. Nothing there for that one. So now we go to this one. And the angle I'm at is quite awkward. So it's in between, I'd reckon. So it's in between. So, but it's going to the right. So I'd endeavour to say I'd go with number 7 and then cut an 8 later, or whichever way around the deepest cut, or whatever. I go that one first. I go the lightest cut first, then the deepest cut. Then the 3rd one, nothing on the rear one. So this goes down to the 2nd line and we follow all the way across. It's a number 6. So next, we're on to the next one. And that would be the 3rd line again. And the arrow's going left, so that'd be number 3. And this one would be the top one by here. and it goes to the right, and if I can move these out the way, that would be a number 8, but it also says H, because in this system it uses letters too. It can be, a H would be an 8 and a 4 would be a Q, and you can put a letter in if you like. It doesn't make much odds, but that would be a 4. And then the last one goes to the left, and she's on a 2. And that's basically how you decode the lock. I hope you find this video helpful. I do apologise for the late video. If you could like and subscribe, it's fantastic, because I really do hope to keep talking and helping people. And it'd be nice if I could do this a bit more permanently. I'm not saying I want to make a living off it by any means, but it'd be nice if it gives me the incentive to make the videos. And that's it. We are on TikTok, slowly getting there, because I'm quite not as inept as or adept as a young person these days. I'm getting on in age, but we are on other platforms, and there will be shorts and everything else popping up, so please do feel free to just watch them. It all helps. So it's not about making money or subscribing, it's more about, I'd like to help people and get in touch with more people to help. So thank you for watching, and any questions, please ask in the comments. I will answer it ASAP. Feel free to say what lock you want picked, say what lock you want broken down. I will strip locks down, we will rebuild them, we will do whatever. But any questions please ask. I'm happy to make content just for you, to help you out in your needs.